gigantic
Ya,
strawberry.
beli Ikong dari TV. Isi Ikong 1-2 hari aja lo. Ikong 1-2 hari aja kok atau sekolah kayak Ikong kalau abis SE lo kan kalau SE bisa jadi dua-duanya nggak belajar tapi wakil gitu kayak emosi langsung. Ikong 1-2 hari gitu. Jadi kayak paling lay ame aja. Jadi kan kalau mungkin kayak biasa normal masih lupa pun kok kayak angka yang kayak keep positif lah, keep tahu itu masih diangkai pokoknya nah kok ame aja itu sama gitu lah. Kalau behu cang ya paling kalau cang lah soalnya kan mak kan ikut lah se tiang berarti kan bobo kan tiang ke nah kakak jalan ya jadi kalau behu cang atau behu cak paling ya kayak biasa lah bekal lah ya karena kalau jadi yang lo satu guru kayak itu subjek untuk SE kecuali Chinese lo karena Chinese kan memang ini lo kan bosan ya kayak kan memang Chinese kan ini kau SE
Aneh. Gampang ya?
Iya karena seperti Chinese ambil yang kelas itu jadi masih gampang. Jangan dimasukin ke dalam.
Mak coba stop, mak sana bandingkan, banding nggak sana? Udah lupa caranya.
Malah masukin.
Mama Kung Fu. Whoa, what's moving?
Mandi dulu ya, jangan malam-malam ya. Sudah sisa mandi sekarang ya. Sayang. Lah. Kan lagi tidur, jangan mandinya malam-malam ya. Jangan gitu. Cara capek. Nggak tahu caranya, Pis.
Oh, all the monsters. Man, how is all the monsters? Cacao, preparation, grape, mango, dragon fruit, cactus, coconut, bamboo, apple, pumpkin, watermelon, daffodil, and corn. The only thing I can do is determine the seed. They're basically good. Very cheap, aren't they? Okay, now I'm gonna go some. Oh, what a big one. And also, I'm gonna put stuff wherever there's space.
Loh, ini saya apa, Pre?
Upgrade.
Jadi dulu lagi di sini, Pre.
Hah?
Kok cari selesai mandi?
Hah? Mandi belum? step basics, I didn't know that. It's okay, at least I can still have space in here. I need a weight register stuff. Let's go, zebra.
Jadi itu enggak ya? Bisa berapa banyak artinya ya?
Oh, seed stuff is up. It's a gear. What is this? Oh.
Fred mandilah sayang. Fred sayang, mandilah sayang Fred. Aduh. Fred sayang, kecil. Oh muat nih. Kecil. Nyong 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 nyong.
None of them are in stock.
Fred, boleh mandi sekarang nggak? Atau mama tarik tabletnya kalau nggak mau denger? Fred,
Sebentar.
selalu jawabannya bentar. Tuh. Wah. Mana yang aku tarik?
Ya bentar, Mom.
Enggak.
Aku mau ini.
No, itu game juga lagi nggak ada orang, lagi nggak ada temen. Kamu mandi dulu sana cepat. Aduh. Mana? Bentar. Udah mandi kali 15 menit aja yuk. Udah mandi dulu. Oke. Udah.
Sal dulu.
Oke, udah.
Dapat 10.000.
Udah, sana mandi dulu.
Pak Tungtuan, tungtong atau mama? Tung dong.
Sahur, bukan dong. Sahur. Bukan dong. Mandi kan cuma 15 menit. Setelah selesai mandi juga ada time sama bisa main sampai jam 7 sama bobo.
Kamu tak tungtong kamu.
Kau jam 9? Mana mau siang? Stop, yang kopi belum mandi pun gitu mamanya pagi dia susahnya itu. Kayak gak kaget lagi kopi. Mana HP ya? Dong, sapu. Bah, ada yang denger. satu. Satu. Udah selesai lagi sahur?
Astaga. Alhamdulillah, satu lagi. Garasi. Ini dia penahanan di sini. Harusnya di paling atas. Karena posisinya dari pas. Paling ini ada di pas ini.
Udah tahu, udah pengalaman.
Itu juga tadi salah malah bongkar kayaknya.
Weh, patahin.
Yalah.
Manusia.
Ininya. Karena dia nyantol nggak bisa ditarik ya. Karena pas di sini.
Nyantolnya itu pas nggak bisa tutup.
Pas nggak bisa tutup, jadi dia cuma bisa kebuka setengah aja sini kalau mau buka. Mau bongkar lagi, mau di setel lagi bisa, jadi gampang. Cuma aku malas. Hancurkan saja. Sampai itu juga udah tahu udah kebuka, masa ditarik lagi, bego banget tuh orang berarti. Udah tahu nih tutup. Ini orang sampai sini kan, mentok nih, masa ditarik lagi sama dia? Itu mah bego lah dia berarti.
Siapa?
Kalau ada orang yang begitu, ini kan udah gini nih, udah mentok. Apa yang ditarik? Kan udah mentok buka gini, masa ditarik lagi? Sebenarnya nggak perlu dikasih itu juga nggak masalah. Selama paling nggak peak ini tarik, nggak tahu kebuka ditarik kan. Masih basah jadinya ini. Udah gampang.
Karena kamu barusan, nanti kalau 4 tahun lagi itu pasti lupa lagi gimana caranya.
Gampang udah mah ini.
Nah, gampang. Nanti 4 tahun lagi lupa lagi kamu.
Satu godin 40-50 menit. Kadang duduk dulu. Belum mandi mana tadi Tokoy? Parah banget jadi orang. Udah punya basah belum mandi lagi, parah banget jadi orang woi.
Udah mandi sekali woi. Baju kamu ada ganti. Woi, belum lama soalnya. Jadi karena baju basah. Mandi badannya udah bongkar gatal. Nanti di sini gak gatal. Ini di sini gak gatal. Ganti.
Ini robotnya tapi di dalam kolam loh, kayak si Ibu juga. Tapi dia bersih kolam di jalan sendiri.
Mereka robot-robot.
Hah?
Robot bersihin kaca jendela, robot bersihin kolam segala.
Jadi bisa dalam air dia, gila, mantap. Disedot sama dia dulu.
price much cheaper than solid wood. Contact us. Kacamata yang gila tentunya nih. Letter F, nyampe-nyampe bangsat, pantang banget. Udah naik 1 langkah atau 3 langkah. Gila, itu lagi sejarah 12 ucap lah. Anjing, ucap masih jauh bangsat. Ngomongnya kalau capek nggak ada yang tiap murah mas. Kayak bangsat. Emang gila tentunya nih. Letter F, nyampe-nyampe. Tanah kalau merah di atas air, busuk nggak ya? Pertama, kita tutup dulu papan apung. Dan supaya bau tidak masuk ke dalam kulit, kita tutup lubangnya menggunakan kegiatan kompos sisa seperti caranya kita tidak gunakan rombol di pintu air. Nanti rombolnya akan langsung masuk ke pintu. Setelah itu, kita bangun bawang merahnya. Caranya kita tidak menambah bagian bawah-bawahnya dan pastikan bawahnya menyentuh rombol yang sudah basah. Supaya subur, kita tambahkan bagian brokolinya dulu ya. Caranya kita tuangkan bubuk A dan B dengan volume yang sama. Untuk bawang merah sekitar 1000 sampai 1200 ml biasanya sudah cukup.
bisa ngantri, tapi buang sampah juga. Jadi hari ini kita mau buang sampah banyak banget karena jadwal pengambilan itu nggak cocok, jadi kita bawa sendiri ke TPA. Itu gedung TPA-nya dan antriannya udah cukup panjang, tapi untungnya ini nggak terlalu lama sih. Jadi pertama kita mobilnya ditimbang dulu guys beserta sama barang dan orang-orangnya, nanti dihitung selisihnya pas keluar. Harganya juga beda-beda tergantung jenis barangnya. Setelah ditimbang kita masuk ke gedungnya, ini pakai mobil, jadi rasanya kayak masuk ke wahana gitu guys, seru banget. Di dalam langsung ada staff yang memberi arahan gitu, dan pertama kita akan buang barang yang tidak bisa dibakar dulu. Di dalam gedung ini benar-benar sampahnya tuh Mungkin saya tidak dapat menjelaskan keajaiban produk ini. Jika Anda memiliki masalah bau mulut dan karang gigi bertahun-tahun, serta noda gigi yang sulit dibersihkan selama ini mungkin menjadi penyebab utama bau mulut Anda. Jadi, Rasa sakit kevitasi, part 2. Klien ketagihan dengan mural kami. Setelah tahun lalu kami mengerjakan mural di Living World Kota Wisata Sekarang dan langsung dari Bali menuju Bekasi untuk mall mereka yang sudah buka di awal puasa tahun ini. Ada 3 lantai yang akan kami kerjakan. Pertama, lantai 1, kemudian lantai 2, dan yang terakhir di lantai paling dasar. Untuk lantai 1, medianya cukup membuat kami terpana. Ada bentukan-bentukan seperti bambu bulat yang membuat luasnya meliuk-liuk yang akhirnya membuat kami ada sekitar 7 media yang dimural. Akhirnya sedikit lega karena lantai berikutnya terlihat biasa saja. Dan ujian berikutnya dimulai di lantai 2 yang kami kira lebih mudah ternyata malah lebih susah. Medianya sih agak rata, tidak seperti di lantai 1, tapi di sini kesulitannya. Media kayu yang terkena silang yang berbakar minyak membuat cat kami tidak bisa menutup dengan sempurna. Mungkin kena oplosan, tapi nggak tahu juga. Sudah berulang kali kita coba, tapi masih nggak ada hasilnya. Dan akhirnya kami bisa mengatasi semuanya walaupun dengan susah payah. Lanjut ke lantai terakhir, lantai LG. Lantai LG ini kami pilih untuk dikerjakan terakhir kali karena medianya lumayan mudah dibandingkan dengan media-media yang lainnya di lantai-lantai sebelumnya. Ada sekitar 8 pilar yang kami murah dan rambutnya pun juga polanya berbeda-beda, jadi kesulitannya pun juga berbeda-beda. Tapi it's okay, nggak masalah. Setelah 3 minggu kami di Grand Wisata Bekasi, akhirnya kami pulang dengan senyuman kebahagiaan. Dan ternyata klien ketagihan dengan mural kami.
Look at that. There's a cabin. Oh, I'm gonna get down there. I've never been so glad to see shelter. Oh, look at that. There's a cabin. Oh, I'm gonna get down there. I've never been so glad to see shelter.
Minus 16 degree. Minus 16 degree, bro. Jadi jangan terpikir. Nobody
So cold. I had these big teeth up in the morning. I need to get dry immediately.
Wah. Ini bakal foto ya.
That is a decent body order. Gonna use these. Yeah, I didn't think I was that cold. I had to get in here. I'm just freezing. Oh, mata ibu kenapa masuk? Padahal dulu percaya kepada pria itu.
Apa nih sekarang? Dia mau ngapain? What is he doing?
Have you ever seen anything like this before? This guy claims he can make an apple disappear. Yes.
Dia
Puts
bisa
that
buat
brush, picks
artinya
up his tiny
God.
pencil and starts painting directly onto the apple,
Oh,
carefully blending
look.
it with the background. At first, it seems impossible, and everyone around him watches in disbelief. But as he meticulously matches every color, every shadow, and every tiny detail of the tree and road behind him, equipped with unbelievable skill. He uses nothing but a rotating rod, a motor, and his bare hands. There's no mask, no gloves, no goggles. The sharp blade spins inches from his fingers. Sometimes he checks the shape of his hand while the wood is still spinning, because that's how they do it here. It's risky, it's exhausting, and it's done entirely without protection. He has mastered this work through years of practice. Each movement shows dedication, precision, and deep craftsmanship. Yet despite the beauty of what he creates, he earns only around 2 cents per piece. He doesn't own his workshop. He works under an owner, just trying to support his family. Isn't it time we recognize the real hands behind the art? We carefully observe each of your opinions. He spends hours.
Nice.
Lupa. Oh.
Kasian banget keberatan. Untung ya di Citra Maja City.
Hey, check it out. Looks like I got my chips frosted. Actually, these aren't regular watermelons meant for eating. They're a special variety grown specifically for their seeds. While they may look like typical watermelons on the outside, their flesh is white, bland, and mealy, with little sweetness but lots of seeds. When these melons ripen, farmers use a specialized harvester with sharp prongs to pierce and collect the entire fruit into the machine. Inside, the seeds are separated, while the rind and pulp are returned to the field as natural fertilizer. The seeds are then sun-dried, sifted through a machine to remove leftover skin and pulp, and thoroughly washed. Finally, the seeds are roasted with various spices to create a flavorful, crunchy snack. Watermelon seeds, a favorite treat enjoyed by many. Are you thinking they're destroying thousands of spoiled watermelons? Actually, these aren't regular watermelons meant for eating.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M.
Segini banyaknya cuma 160-an saja loh. Masa boxer sebanyak ini? Harganya cuma 160-an saja sudah dapat 10. Di pasaran 100 ribuan cuma dapat.
Cerita dikit ya, ketika saya tahu sesuatu itu murah, saya tuh sering diremehkan, katanya tidak mungkin bisa bagus. Karena ada sih foto yang benar bagus, bahkan cukup banyak fotografer lain yang dengan sebutan fotografer kucing. Bisa dibilang fotografer kucing, saya mau dipuji mereka. Nah sebenarnya saya setuju kalau murah dan bagus itu nggak ada tahu harga jasa foto yang ada di pasaran. Karena itu ketika saya sudah bisa memotret sendiri dan punya ide, saya buka jasa foto yang murah. Tarifnya cuma 25.000 untuk foto, tapi sekarang saya kasih 5 foto sebagai ucapan rasa syukur karena video dari saya. Jika jasa fotonya 25.000 dapat 5 foto. Menurut kamu bagus nggak? Dan apakah jasa foto murah ini sangat membantu UMKM dan Canva? Komen ya. Terima kasih. Teman-teman cerita dikit ya. Ketika kenapa pulau bisa guys kan merasa nggak sih aku udah pakai 2.200 PA. Ada dompet di sini lagi. Tinggal The process begins by cutting whole bamboo stalks into segments, which are then split into long strips. These strips are further cut into small, evenly shaped square bamboo pellets. Next, pellets are trimmed and drilled using precision tools to create uniform shapes and holes according to the design. They are then transferred to a water polishing chamber for initial polishing, which helps clean and smooth the surface. Afterward, the bamboo pieces are dried in a specialized drying machine to completely remove moisture. They are then carbonized in a treatment machine to enhance durability and resist mold and insect damage. Following carbonization, the bamboo is wax polished to add shine and create a smooth surface. Finally, the pellets are sorted. Defective ones are discarded, and the rest are hand-woven into bamboo mats. The finished mats are not only durable, but also breathable, cool to the touch, and environmentally friendly. Did you know that the Chinese use Risih nggak sih kalau celana kamu nggak pas? Risih nggak sih kalau celana kamu nggak pas? Kekecilan atau kebesaran? Padahal nggak kayak ukuran.
Hah? Enak. Masa nggak makan? Nggak jelas banget sih kamu.
Watches a more drilling machine skillfully carved out you see here, the man proudly showcases various molds and faces made from these river stones, each one telling the story of the river's history. What started as a simple idea has turned into a successful business, earning him a fortune by turning nature's raw materials into functional groups of food to consider owning one of these stunning creations. In China,
People told me this was really stupid. I was making the flower bed bigger, using this tool to take out plugs of grass along the flower bed and spit it out. And the commenters came out of the force. They were, "Why did you do this? So this extra work, what a waste of time." These are the comments of the but after once in a while, it's more fun to show people that what I'm doing here has research. It's not all completely stupid. I didn't throw out all those plugs and all that stupid dirt and grass. I used it somewhere else. Right here. Nasty, muddy, marshy, wet mess of land. I didn't put extra dirt, and this is like fixing a sod chuck with a 30-minute series to look at all that. More commenting on this video. Tell me that's what I did. Next, I dug a muddy area to see surrounding that and other grass and other dirt growing in that more area.
Okay.
That's what the name was like. It's kind of like this. Right here. That's all grass. People told me this was really stupid.
Kelihatannya kayak wahana taman bermain, tapi ternyata ini adalah ladang, makanan biasa, tapi sistem pertanian pintar. Setiap tanaman disusun bergerak pada buah besar yang bisa berkembang secara perlahan, sehingga mereka dapat nutrisi dan cahaya dengan adil. Apakah ini teknologi atau teknologi hidroponik? Yang pasti, harga dan perawatannya cocok banget buat dompet yang tahan banting. Kelihatannya
Pas lagi di Sopani SPTU yang lagi viral di Indonesia. I did a couple of your neighbors' driveways down here on the left side. I saw yours was getting pretty dirty in your walkway. I've got this weird offer. I was gonna see if I could pressure wash it for free for you. I will charge you a penny. So I'm just gonna get some pictures and some videos of myself doing the work so that I can use it on my social media platforms. I can make yours look really good.
Kenapa? Main game terus kamu. Woi. Apa itu? Woi. Pa. Baba. Baba atau Puy? Baba. Woi Baba. Woi Baba.
Apa kamu boy?
Sampaikan lagi tuh sayur aku. Ambilkan dulu. Ditanya kau mau makan gak? Kau gak mau. Aku udah suirin nih, potongannya udah enak ini. Bisa nggak? Nggak gue kasih kau makan, nanti mau aku balikin ya.
Ya.
Papa melawan Pre. Dia anak siapa sih Pre? Tang aja lah mama. Papa dimintain tolong pun nggak bisa ambil ya.
Apa lu? Ambil apa sih?
Ini aku makanan di luar karena tadi aku lagi suwirin daging konsisten.
Oh, kirain apa yang dia omong sama dia? Jelas banget sih.
Nah tuh udah duduk, udah suwir udah jamur. Jamurnya kayak ontong.
Kamu kok sama ini kan?
Gak mau kasih kau makan.
Aduh.
Kau tahu aja udah sembunyi.
Berapa?
Iya, sharing-sharing kan kita 5 orang.
Sama semua?
Sama lah. Bukan pari. Kurang kulihat sayangnya, soalnya ini juga habis.
Yalah, habis.
Kalian setengah-setengah. Aku satu ya. Pre, you want? Pre,
Itu mau.
nggak suka lah ikan.
Itu kan ikan teri ya.
Peri.
Ikan pari. Ikan pari.
Jadi nggak suka kan?
Suka banget.
Ya, ayam
Eli.
mandi dia. Cuman ini bakso tuh habis dimakan dia kayaknya tadi pagi semua.
Besar nih.
Besar ya? Kadang dia dapatnya yang kecil dulu.
Bagi dua mau pilih kan?
Itu ada satu lagi kan yang beli 3. Nanti saya babel gitu. Ini kan dia nggak makan ayam, dia nggak makan bakso enggak ada. Jadi dia telur doang sama danger. Kasih itu, kasih dia yang setengah ini. Dia tarik dulu setengah aja sisa dia.
Ya.
Dia yang segituan aja. Coba kasih
Sendok?
setengah. Satu. Oke, satu tutup. Sudah balik nanti satu lagi tuh untuk situ.
Pilih.
Hah?
Pilih.
Iya boleh.
Untuk babe.
Iya. Kalau sealok.
Udah. Kamu kalian satu yang besar.
Sama sendiri nggak spray. Lah, harusnya kan aku yang kayak gini, kenapa jadi lu? Hei, makan dulu lah. Gamenya stop dulu lah. Main terus dari tadi.
Iya benar.
Makan dulu.
Tapi ini puzzle.
Ya berhenti dulu lah kan, mau makan sama peduli lah.
아니 왜 경찰서에 신고를 안 하고 전단지 뿌냐고 내가 하는 거야.
내 돈 찾아준다는 거 내가 안 뿌렸지? 못 찾으면 어떡하냐?
저도 같이 가서 들어봤는데 이 행위처럼 피해당한 사람이 돈을 찾는 경우가 1만 명 중에 한 명이래요. 1만 명 중에 한 명. 이건 뭐 거의 못 찾는다고 봐요.
세상에 이런
Ikan.
Nih, ini sayang.
내 말이 안 돼요?
이거 진짜
Atau stop dulu aja.
Nah, tadi bersih-bersih.
이거 생각은 어때?
글쎄
글쎄요라뇨. 인정을 분명히 해야죠.
Hei,
일단 분명히 해줘.
hei, hei.
출방 찬다.
Tung.
대표님.
Hey,
자 봐.
hey,
엄청나게 많은 범죄
hey,
Spray sekarang dekat dong.
hey, hey, hey,
전혀 없는
hey.
기사가 참 이상해. 다른 범죄들은 피해자를 주변에서 피해자를 위로하고 북돋아주고 하는데 이 보이스피싱 범죄는 오히려 피해자를 고치잖아.
Kamu nggak bayar? Hah?
아니 상식적으로 누가 전화하고 이거 500원 정도
Kecap yang aku beli itu mirip kayak gini nih.
아이고
Oh, kayaknya mereka pakai gitu ya.
우리 주려고 한건 아닙니다.
Kan dia halus. Maksudnya nggak kayak nggak tahu sih. Ada bawangnya aja, bawang sama dengan bawang.
아이러니하게도 이런
Itu jangan
사람들이
kasih bawang.
보이스피싱 범죄 대상이 되고
갑자기 경찰이 소부해서 말장난으로 목적
Biar ada aja bola kayak aja.
Kenapa?
Tarik.
그렇게 되면
Tarik.
상대방이 진짜
Kayak gitu ya?
Oh,
Oh,
Itu buka.
자신의 결백을
salah.
Oi.
수행했죠.
ini pak ganja.
난 이거 우리 일이라서
Biar bola kayak.
저도 대표님을 위해
Mantap weh.
한편
Iya, sekali malam mingguan. Cek ngapain?
Kopi dulu.
나도 뭐 다음부터 전단지
Cakep ya.
Sambalnya di ini atau di ikan ya?
Ada yang di ikan ya.
저 사실
Ini ya. Cek Dewi.
Kita
Pulang. Bom.
Enggak lah, mau makan dia.
Pulang. Bayar lah berarti dia.
이번 일은 기분이랑 생각으로 알았으면 좋겠어. 연애 시절에 불법이 있는 상태라서 미안. 좀 맞아요. 무슨 일 생기면 바로 연락드릴게요. 자, 움직이자고.
뭔가 잘못된 것 같은데.
뭐가요?
접속 기록이 하루 종일 찍혀있잖아요.
김주환 씨가 택신 걸잖아요. 콜 어플 켜둬서 그런 걸 겁니다.
그래도 이상한데 무슨 택시를 만나보신 거야?
거의 잠을 안 자고 일했다는 건데. 여사님, 근데 이거 왜 조사하시는 거예요?
나중에 제가 검사다운 이야기 할 수 있을 때 그때 자세히 말씀드릴게요.
네, 감사합니다.
근데 여기 빈칸들이 뭐죠? 그거 신호 없음 표시네. 신호 없음?
이거 생활 반응이 없어서 통신 기록 자체가 없는 겁니다. 핸드폰을 꺼놓고 사용하지 않는 거죠.
그럼 여기 빈칸들이 전부 생활 반응이 없다는 표시. 어머, 제가 어떻게 하면 돼요, 원장님?
안건 씨 계좌에 대해서 금감원과 저희 검찰이 조사하기 앞서 현 계좌의 잔고를 저희가 지정한 장소로 이동시키셔야 합니다.
그렇게 할게요. 지금 바로 하면 되나요? 네, 말씀하신 곳에 넣어놨어요.
이제 저희가 그 계좌 관련해서 조사를
Makan.
시작하는데
Kayak main game aja.
출구될 겁니다. 그 후에는 다시 본인 계좌를 안전하게 쓰는 겁니다. 아셨죠?
네, 원장님.
네, 지금 바로 잔적으로 가셔서 대기하시고 연락드리겠습니다.
감사합니다.
Hei,
gagu kagak gugu. Gugu kagak.
Hati, gini ya.
ada yang main game nonton aja. Atau matiin aja semua lah.
Enggak.
앉아봐. 여기 타기 보고 있다가 도망가면 어쩌라고? 보이스피싱이 꼬리 자르기를 잘하는
Makan tadi lebih dekat.
Hah? Ikan pari dimakan papa tuh satu. Woi pak, kenapa ikan perinya dikit pak?
Perinya.
At what size will the ball fill the border?
Apa disuruh ambil? Enggak. Langsung duluin dia ambil.
Yang aja bukan ini setengah bisa.
Mari makan. Masih lama. Dari tadi perinya penuh. Kirain dia nggak suka. Pikiran dia nggak suka ikan peri.
Ya suka.
Dia suka ikan peri. Peri kemanusiaan dan peri keadilan.
Aku suka ikan peri.
Iya, peri kemanusiaan dan peri keadilan ya kan.
Ya ampun.
Ampun. Namanya kenapa? Sampai mama katanya ampun. Tapi dia musiman. Sebenarnya waktu ngobrol nyari dia nggak ada. Sampai membeli ikan dia.
At what what size will the ball turning a 140 square meter apartment into a dream solo living space? This guy poured all his savings into renting a 140 square meter apartment, but at first he only had a bed and a wardrobe in there. It was so spacious he could even ride a bicycle indoors. Such a huge space going to waste. It was kind of sad. Sleeping alone every night in that empty place, he felt lonely and bored. So he decided to redesign everything. First, he bought a few hundred bricks and built a mini pool inside the apartment, waterproofed it, laid anti-slip marble tiles. Now he can soak while enjoying the view of the grassland outside. He placed a couple of shelves nearby to keep fruits and snacks within reach. Super convenient. He also built a separate little space with a wall divider and set up a small drink counter, perfect for inviting 3 to 5 friends over for tea while enjoying the view. They could even study together there. He added a tall cabinet against the wall to store wine and premium teas. The divider keeps it cozy but private. Next up, he installed a drop ceiling and an embedded air conditioner for a cleaner look. In one corner, he built a private restroom, great when friends come over. It even has a smart toilet and a shower area just for him. Wall partitions with a solid iron frame, bolted tight for safety. There's also a long double sink, and right across from it, a jacuzzi tub to unwind after a long day. On both sides, he added wardrobes for jackets and daily outfits. Closed the glass doors, and it's sleek and dust-free. Finally, he created his main chill zone, comfy sofa for up to 5 friends to hang out. There's even space for a meeting table, so his friends can work together if needed. He added a TV, watch whatever he wants, whenever. A rail-mounted curtain in the center gives privacy when needed. Now the space is smartly divided into living, relaxing, studying, and bathing zones. It's no longer empty and cold. Living alone in that space now feels full and satisfying. He's never lonely anymore.
King Kong Badaring Kong is a noob. King Kong Badaring.
Kan dulu.
Guys, I've been hearing a
Private.
lot about this game, Liminal Core. This just came out, and you guys know I love a good backrooms game. So let's get into it. I just woke up.
Sama nasinya
What
lah,
the?
sama nih yang
What
lainnya
the?
kan juga ada ayamnya. Kamu jangan makan ikan peri doang, ikan peri jadi habis.
Why can I hear myself?
Makan ikan peri doang.
Oh, this is trippy. Hello? Hello? Oh, hell no. There's no way I'm just gonna be repeating myself this whole time. This would be the most annoying video ever. Oh my god. Hello? Guys, what do I do in this situation? I can't just be repeating everything. What I was gonna say is I just woke up and I think it's the perfect time to play this game. This is weird. What do I do about this? Microphone feedback. Oh, there we go. I like that feature a lot, but it doesn't really work for recording a YouTube video. Guys, this game looks good. It looks really good. Can I zoom in? Yeah, I can. I can zoom in. Okay. We freaking just woke up in the pool rooms, it seems. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, I just turned off the VHS effect, and I think this looks a lot better. Oh, I like this. Okay, so I guess we're just walking around the pool rooms. I've heard that this... No. Oh, no. Okay, I just turned off the VHS effect, and I think this looks a lot better. Oh, I like this. Okay, so I guess we're just walking around the pool rooms. I've heard that this game is absolutely freaky, so I'm excited. I like some freak. Okay, I gotta chill. It's the beginning of the video. It's the first 3 minutes of the video. Guys, by the way, let's try to hit 15,000 likes immediately. Like goal moment, 15,000 likes. I'm losing my voice, so can we get 15K likes for my voice to regenerate? I don't know what that means, but just do it. Hit the like button. Why did I feel like I just saw someone stare?
Ini apa, Fred? Stingray apa?
Stingray bener.
Có chép không á?
Không biết là cậu à?
Tốt quá.
Cậu mẹ cho mẹ.
Ai bông? Tốt ai bông?
Getting there. Okay, I don't know. I'm tripping. I'm actually seeing things. Guys, I've said this before, but shouldn't they make an IRL backrooms experience?
Terlalu
This would be
enak.
so cool. I might have to do it myself. I might just have to do it myself. It'd be so fun. It'd be so cool to experience the backrooms. Like, obviously, you're not in danger, but like, it'd be sick. Okay, you know what? Screw it. We're going this way. We are going this way. Let me just test something. Is anyone here? Hello?
Ah, makan
It's
naruh
me.
tuh. Makan sama
Subscribe.
nasinya ya, itu nasinya masih banyak
We
ya.
hit the boom. That's what we do. We hit the boom. We hit the boom for you. Oh my god, it's dark. Alright, let's wait. Like, these games always trip me out because I could just be walking forever and nothing could be
Ada tak
happening.
lah, Frey. Tuan saya Frey.
Okay.
Woi, ada teh ternyata ya?
Ada, tapi Tego aku belum datang. Pakai Tego kecil dulu. Isi referensi.
Papa,
No.
did you know that I have acrophobia?
Why is
I have
that?
acrophobia.
Why is that from?
Fear of height.
Huh?
Fear of height.
Hi?
Height, like height.
Are you sure?
Like if you're at the mountain and you look down, I always scared.
You know lah. Lu aja pernah main perosotan.
Fobia, berarti fobia ketinggian ya maksudnya ya.
Lu aja pernah main luncuran yang tinggi dari itu. Di mana?
Main itu dia nggak takut, dia takutnya kalau dari atas lihat ke bawah.
Ini dari mana tuh tahu ya fobia? Papa aja enggak? Papa
Banyak kan nonton lah.
Nggak mungkin sih.
Fobia.
Karena kalau aku look down-nya biasanya takut.
enggak lah, lu di paling atas itu enggak, Bob. Biasanya di pinggir di atas aja, lihat ke bawah. Dingin. Gitu-gitu aja. Kalau yang hypofobia dia udah nggak bisa berdiri, bro. Dia udah nggak bisa berdiri. Dia langsung bobo.
Enggak, acrophobia itu
Kak Mama nggak jadi datang, Kak Mama.
takut aja. Bukan fobia.
Kalau takut sama fobia beda. Kalau fobia itu dia bisa sampai gemetar, tidur dingin.
Ambil.
Oh, dan aku juga ada megalofobia.
Hah?
4 berapa?
Iya 4 sayang.
Oh, aku
Awas pecah, hati-hati.
aku ada acrophobia dan megalofobia.
Nah, nggak tahu lah.
High check, Mayu.
Kenapa?
High check, Mayu.
Itu aku punya opini.
Iya.
Kan itu bukan semua orang, cuman aku.
Iya.
Bukan fakta.
Namanya bilang cek YouTube, high check YouTube.
Tapi beneran ada acrophobia takut.
Ada fobia dimarahin juga, takut dimarahin.
That. Oh, I don't like that.
Aku ada isolophobia.
This looks like a movie. This literally looks like a movie, like me walking through the water.
Aku ada isolophobia juga, Pak. Papa. Aku juga ada isolophobia. Artinya itu fear of being alone in the dark, like that. Karena aku tak.
I don't know what this is. This looks beautiful. Wowzers. Like better not freaking turbulence.
Ini mau marah.
Aro?
Just swimming up to me, dude.
Apa namanya?
This literally looks like a movie, like me walking through the water. Like, I don't know what this is. This looks beautiful. Wowzers. I better not freaking turn around and see someone like just swimming up to me, dude. It's too early in the morning for this. Oh! Waterside? Waterside. Yes. Oh, it looks like a fun one. Yes, sir. We got waterside. Oh, I'm hyped. Oh, yeah. You best believe I'm going down this one. You ain't stopping me. You ain't stopping me from going down. Oh, I'm going down this one for sure. Here we go.
Lagi.
There's no way you're gonna put in a big, massive water slide and not let me go down it. What do you mean? Oh, do I weigh 1 pound? There was literally no splash. Okay, well that's kind of lame. Can't go down the water slides. Whatever. I'm over it. Let's keep going. Do I have hands?
Kan buat dia tuangin teh buat mi.
Bisa apa? Semua apa? Semua orang tangannya kotor. Thank you, Frank. Oh, jatuh, hati-hati.
Untuk Papa dan nanti
Ya ke sini, Papa. Saya
Nanti
nanti
ya,
aja.
Cece nanti kan habis selesai ini.
Thank you.
Tadi kan ya dulu.
Panas ya? Panas.
Maybe I had to click into the water slide. I might have had to click because I had to click the ladder. Okay, well, we'll try it on the next water slide if we find one. Whoa, what is this? Okay. Interesting.
Ang gede? Ang gede?
What is that? Is that a railing or is that a hand? There's something in there. What is that?
Sama nggak mirip? Anggrek?
Anggrek? Anggrek? Anggrek? Aku nggak tahu itunya suaranya kayak gimana.
Apa sih?
It's a railing. It's a railing. Okay, this is just a house in the water. All right. Honestly, I kind of find these games relaxing, you know, because it's not like constant jump scare, horror, pee pee poo poo. It's just eerie, you know, and I like a good eerie feeling. There's definitely something in the water. Oh, yeah. Let's get out. Let's get out. Hold on. I want to test something real quick. If I screenshot this, bring it into Photoshop, and then brighten it, can we see something? Okay, no, you can't, which is good. I would have been very scared to go back into the game if there was something. Okay. Let's just go. Let's just get out of here. There's something in the water. There is something in the water. Gotta be careful. Okay, which way? Left or right? Or this way? No, not that way. Let's go right. Okay, we got that way or this way. Oh, definitely this way. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, this way's way cooler.
Buaya sama banget. Sekarang aku super cool sekali, sangat cool.
Scary movie.
Fobia. Nontonnya itu jadi fobia ketakutan.
Aku nonton Liminal Coil. Liminal Coil itu game yang akan kasih you untuk megalfobia dan kayak banyak fobia supaya you bisa tahu ini you punya fobia apa. Ininya scary tapi.
Yo, who is it?
Soalnya aku suka nonton
I'm
scary.
coming. I can't freaking talk, dude. Is that a phone down there? Guys, that's a person. That is a person. Is that not a person? That is a person. Answer the freaking phone! Answer it! There's something in the water. Something just moved over there. Okay. They answered it, I guess. Oh, no, they didn't. They're just sitting here. Oh, I hate this so much. Yay! Close your mouth! Let me go upstairs.
Okay, I got half of the.
Ini punya aku berarti.
Cece, you know Papa ate one whole stingray.
I thought you pa.
One whole stingray. He ate one whole fish.
I thought you.
Stingray.
Yeah, this is stingray.
Stingrays aren't edible.
Huh?
Stingrays are poisonous.
This is a stingray.
Nanti baru main lagi.
Really?
Makan dulu makan.
Ini kan stingray. Cece bilang itunya gak edible.
Makan dulu makan.
Oh, you can eat
There's a
them.
shadow right there.
Oh, memang.
Oh,
Bro.
this.
Tapi ini bukan stingray yang besar, yang
I don't like
kecil.
this at all.
Stingray yang besar udah susah.
Relax, though,
Kalau
yo.
dagingnya.
They got some.
But stingrays are
I
endangered.
got too excited.
Ya, ini.
Dia ada racun juga ya?
Iya, ada beberapa.
Iya, kalau
Dan juga
misalnya
ada
orang
beberapa
potong
yang
saja.
sudah hampir langka.
Ini bukan dari
Ini
akuarium
bukan
itu.
stingray itu, ini stingray yang diternak.
Guys, there's cake up there, just so you
Orang
know.
pelihara.
Kayak ikan
Kayak pelihara
gurame.
ikan.
It's really dark in this room. I don't
Stingray
like
kan
this.
bisa
I don't like
dipelihara.
this. I don't like this.
Berarti
Can I
kami
pick up the
makan
phone?
pet. Itu sama dengan kami makan dog.
Iya, itu kamu makan ayam.
Hey Cece.
Ikan banyak yang orang pelihara. Dam juga.
Bener. Cece.
Dia buat itu untuk dimakan.
Cece.
This is freaky. I'm getting out of here. I hate that.
Laba-laba aja orang makan.
Cece.
Some people ada yang makan dog, tau nggak?
Tahu dong.
I have acrophobia. Do you have acrophobia?
Fear of spiders? What's acrophobia?
Some
Fear
people
of
juga ada
heights.
makan monkey. Udahlah, yang banyak ngomong
Bro,
sama
you
dia.
asked me that yesterday.
Dia banyak fobia entah apa-apa aja dia. Nonton itu dia bilang fobia semua udah.
Dia udah tanya aku dari kemarin-kemarin. Entah
Emang
kenapa
dia?
dia tiba-tiba.
I have isolophobia. Do you have it?
What's that?
Fear of being isolated or being
Sama
alone.
punya fobia lapar.
Dia dijaga.
being
Isolated, yes.
Setiap lapar
but-
mama langsung fobia, langsung
Mama
gemetar.
setiap lapar langsung sakit.
Oh, sorry, monolophobia I think would be
Semua
alone.
dia dah sakit malah langsung dia.
So I have being isolated and monolophobia. Isolophobia.
Dia semua dia dan lapar.
What? Monolophobia is fear of being alone. I have that. I have a monolophobia. Do you have megalophobia?
What's that?
Fear of massive things or like large things,
Depends on what things.
like scary things.
Everybody's scared of scary things because they're scary.
I was like, I don't know, just like anything. Like there's one slide and it's like a very big slide and you're scared of it or something. I do not really have it. Only if it's like a creepy thing, then I will, but not. So I have like 50%. Only half.
Jiwa lupa
Only
masukin.
for
I don't
creepy
think.
part.
Okay, I guess we go back. Was more room.
Ambil lah.
Okay, we are out of that situation. Let's go to the right, I guess. By the way, guys, in a couple days, I don't know when I'm releasing this, but in a couple days from when I'm posting this, we have brand new mini mystery plushies.
Yummy pa.
They're very
Habis.
If you buy it, you can get one of the 5, or actually there's
Sampai lupa
freaking
kita
6.
pilih.
There's a lot of different kinds. First link down below, guys.
Kenapa gak boleh? Aku pakai tangan kanan juga, bukan kiri.
Ada di sana. Jadi lihat dari sini ke kiri tapi kanan.
Aku pakai kirinya untuk garpu aja karena garpunya gak butuh di move.
New mini mystery plushies.
Luar,
A
kamu
lot
luar.
of them. They're very cute. If you buy it, you can get one of the
Berarti aku di gorden.
5. Or actually, there's freaking 6. There's a lot of different kinds. First link down below, guys. They drop on the 15th of this month, 15th of November. So go cop, save up your money. As for Christmas, I don't know. This one's really rare. The fat one. It's got K-nuts as well. You guys are gonna love it. So yeah, first link down below. Okay, let's wait. Did I go this way already? Yeah, I did. Wait, what? Did I? Oh, it was that way I wanted to go. Unless it's the same. Wait, oh no, it's not the same. It is not the same. I just know I'm gonna see something out of the corner of my eye and I'm gonna cry. Wait, have I been here? Was I here already? I don't know. Was I? Oh god, dude. Nope, I was not here. Okay, that is good to know. Wait, I want to go down the slide though. I want to go down the slide. That looks so much fun. Whoa. Oh, what is that? What is the dripping sound? Whoa. Oh, what is...
So this is megalophobia. So do you see the head statue thingy? That's megalophobia. I mean, if it's a head, then yeah. Well, do you have fear of megalophobia?
Big heads, of course, everybody does.
This. So yeah, do you
It
have?
depends on what kind of head.
But do you have megalophobia for this one?
Woi, Mam.
No, I'm scared of the room.
Isi lagi.
What?
The room and being alone. I don't care about the head.
Oh, isolated you mean? Oh, okay.
Kau duduk korek-korek
I'm
gigi
scared of
aja
the
kau.
The background ambient noise. If it's a funny, goofy audio, then I wouldn't be scared.
Oh. But did you know that? Hey cat, did you know that I am? Yeah. Hey cat, did you know that I am? Yeah. Hey, did you know that I am? Yeah.
What is the dripping sound? That is terrifying. Why do I want to jump though? I really kind of want to low-key jump. That'd be kind of fun. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna go down here first. Let's see if there's anything down here. I really kind of want to low-key jump.
Do you want to see a megalophobia? Okay. Okay. This is megalophobia.
That'd be kind of fun, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go down here first. Let's see if there's anything down here. Fear of giant objects, megalophobia. Yep. Oh, are we gonna be experiencing a bunch of fears?
Kayak pakai kuahnya kayak biar nggak terlalu
You see the head idea, Cat?
There was a giant skull right there, wasn't
Iya,
it?
pakai telur juga, Mike.
Okay,
Pakai
look at
tomat
that
ada telur.
You have a
Got
fear of
it.
that
Please
head?
don't eat me, sir. Please don't eat me,
Put
sir.
down.
Please don't eat me. Okay, what
Itu yang
else?
ekor-ekornya jangan lah, ada botol.
Scared.
Fear of the dark.
This is the fear of the dark.
Kurang apa ya?
Okay, we're encountering fear of the dark.
Bersih banget. Ini loh.
I hate it. I
Pre,
hate
jangan
it.
berisik, Pre. Ini refill aja kalau berisik.
Yeah, yeah. I don't like you. You are King Kong Badaring Kong.
Umes?
Aku kenapa besin banyak banget?
Kamu mungkin pakai nasi putih aja.
Okay. We're going. We hit a wall. We hit a wall. Go. I do not like that. I do not like that. Okay, it seems like that's the same. Okay, let's just go. I'm falling in the pit. I'm freaking doing it. I might die, but at least I'll go out a legend. Oh, I didn't mean to. Okay, I didn't mean to get lost in the void. Oh, okay, so I just respawned here. Okay, so I wasn't supposed to do that. Got it. Bro, I didn't mean to jump down immediately like that. I slipped. This game is creepy, bro. It's creepy. Okay, and we continue. These games trip me up because it's like, there's multiple chapters, so there's definitely a right way to go. But how do I find it? How do I find the right way, you know? Like, it could be down there. Or it could be over here. How am I to know? Oh my god, I've been here. Okay, we're going down here then. We're going down here. We have not been down here. How have I been here, bro?
Papa isi. Habis 2 botol teh.
Mana refillnya udah nggak ada.
Ah, mana, Pak?
Itu sama mama, Mbak.
Oh. Jangan cuci. Aku masih mau. Kece. To not to like eat rice is like this, right? Huh? Like this. Then I like this.
Yeah.
I eat this. Yeah.
You know what? I'm going in here. Oh, I can't. What's that sound? Okay. Another water slide? Yes. Have I been here? No, I haven't. Please tell me I'm good on that. Wait, all I want to do is go down the water slide. Yo. I don't like that. The feeling it gives you just staring off into that. I don't know. Oh my god, dude. Megalophobia is a real thing, man. You know, at least it's daytime. Doing this in the nighttime with a flashlight, that would be scary. But that water slide looks crazy. Straight down, brother. Okay, I'm surprised they didn't put anything up there, like a face or something. Oh. Have I been here? Was I here? Why am I breathing like that? Why am I breathing so heavy? Guys, please make sure.
Abracadabra, abro udara. Abracadabra, mata ora.
개통 다 대포폰 100개요. 안보 얼마까지 잡아줄 수 있어?
Subscribe. Sometimes YouTube actually unsubscribes you from people, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, check. See if you're subscribed. If you're not, hit the button. On our way to 17. Why is it getting so dark? Oh. On our way to 17 million is what I was going to say. So hit the button. Hit the button. Okay. Wait, I should be reflecting.